It's a new 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid. This Accord Hybrid offers refined elegance, technology that keeps you comfortable, connected, and safe, and amazing fuel efficiency. Your friends will be green with envy. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, steering assist cruise control, inductive device charging, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, driver control suspension management, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.